In the fast-evolving real estate landscape of Bengaluru, relying on manual methods for property maintenance and cost tracking is becoming outdated and inefficient, with growing rental portfolios and remote management becoming the norm, especially among NRIs. Embracing technology is essential to stay organized and reduce overheads. This video will show how digital tools can revolutionize your property maintenance process, enabling faster responses to tenant needs, better cost control, and a proactive approach to property management. 1. Digital platforms for centralized property management. Managing property information across multiple files or spreadsheets is no longer practical. Digital property management platforms offer a central hub for storing everything from lease agreements and maintenance logs to tenant communications and payment histories. In Bengaluru's dynamic market, platforms like MyGate and No Brokerhood, alongside international tools, simplify access to all your property details. This centralization not only boosts operational efficiency, but also enables quick, data-driven decisions when addressing tenant concerns or maintenance needs. 2. Automated scheduling for preventive maintenance. Preventing problems before they arise is key to long-term cost savings. Modern software solutions allow landlords and property managers to set up automated schedules for regular maintenance tasks, such as generator servicing, pest control, elevator inspections, and HVAC upkeep. Automated reminders ensure these tasks are completed on time, eliminating last-minute scrambles and tenant complaints. Consistent preventive maintenance reduces emergency repairs and extends the life of critical property systems, saving money in the long run. 3. Instant issue reporting via mobile apps. A common challenge in property management is timely issue reporting by tenants. Mobile apps designed for landlords and tenants enable instant reporting with photos, descriptions, and severity ratings, all submitted through user-friendly interfaces. This digital communication is routed directly to maintenance teams or vendors, creating an audit trail for each request. Faster problem identification improves tenant satisfaction and helps landlords address minor issues before they escalate into costly repairs. 4. Streamline vendor management on unified platforms. Coordinating with multiple service providers can be chaotic without the right tools. Integrated property management systems allow you to manage all vendors, plumbers, electricians, security services in one dashboard. Tasks can be assigned, progress tracked, invoices stored, and vendor performance rated, all digitally. This integration reduces scheduling conflicts, avoids billing errors, and ensures timely follow-up, simplifying property upkeep management in Bengaluru's busy rental market. 5. Real-time expense tracking and budget control. Maintaining clear financial oversight is crucial for landlords and managers. Digital tools like Zoho Expense or property-focused apps enable real-time logging of all maintenance-related expenses. Costs can be categorized by property or unit, allowing easy comparison against budgets. This immediate visibility into spending helps identify overspending early and keeps finances on track, essential for optimizing rental income and planning future investments. 6. Cloud-based storage for essential documents. Keeping warranties, invoices, and service records in physical files is risky and inconvenient. Cloud storage solutions integrated with property management tools allow secure, instant access to all essential documents from anywhere. Whether it's checking a water purifier warranty before service or reviewing past repair invoices, cloud storage saves time and reduces administrative hassle, especially for landlords managing multiple properties remotely. 7. Predictive analytics for smarter maintenance planning. Advanced property management systems use predictive analytics to forecast potential maintenance issues based on historical data. By analyzing patterns such as recurring plumbing faults or electrical glitches, landlords can plan major repairs or replacements proactively. This data-driven approach avoids unexpected breakdowns and supports smarter budgeting, improving the longevity and reliability of property infrastructure. 8. Efficient communication through digital channels. Clear and fast communication is vital for smooth property management. Platforms with built-in messaging or commonly used channels like WhatsApp groups ensure tenants, landlords, and vendors stay informed. Scheduling repairs, notifying tenants in advance, and updating staff on vendor delays happen in real time. This reduces misunderstandings and keeps everyone coordinated, resulting in quicker resolutions and happier tenants. 9 IoT devices for proactive property monitoring. For larger or high-end properties, Internet of Things, IoT, devices add a proactive layer of protection. Sensors detecting water leaks, smart thermostats monitoring energy use, or smoke detectors providing instant alerts enable landlords to identify problems before they cause damage or high bills. Though not necessary for every property, IoT technology can be a valuable investment for multi-unit buildings in Bengaluru, offering peace of mind and better maintenance control. 10 automated reporting and performance insights. Generating maintenance reports manually can be time-consuming and prone to error. Digital tools now automate monthly reports, cost comparisons, and vendor evaluations. Landlords and property managers can export professional reports with a click, simplifying communication with investors, family members, or partners. Automated reporting ensures transparency, accountability, and helps track progress over time for continuous improvement. Bonus tip: choose technology that fits your needs and budget. While the technology available today is impressive, selecting the right tools depends on your property size and management style. A landlord with just a few flats in Bengaluru may benefit most from simple mobile apps for tenant requests. Conversely, a property manager handling multiple units might require integrated dashboards with financial analytics and vendor coordination. Avoid overcomplicating your setup. Prioritize solutions that increase efficiency and ease without unnecessary complexity. Technology has transformed property maintenance and cost tracking in Bengaluru, offering landlords and managers lower expenses, fewer emergencies, and enhanced tenant satisfaction. By adopting the right digital tools, you can streamline your operations and focus on growing your investments instead of getting caught up in routine maintenance challenges. If this video has helped you understand how technology can improve your property management, please like this video, share it with fellow landlords, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Your support helps us bring you the latest tips to manage your property smarter and easier.